Kowloon, the bustling heart of Hong Kong, is famous for its neon-lit streets, lively markets, and unbeatable harbor views. Whether you are here to shop at Lincoln Road, explore Mongkok street food, or simply enjoy the stunning Victoria Harbour skyline, these 10 hotels provide comfort, convenience, and unforgettable experiences. The first one is the Peninsula Hong Kong, often called the Grand Gateway of the Far East. The Peninsula is Cologne most iconic luxury hotel. Guests are welcomed with a blend of colonial elegance and modern sophistications, from marble floors to high-tech suites. Rooms are spacious with classic decor and cutting-edge amenities. The indoor pool and spa add to the indulgence. Staying here is not just accommodation, it is experience in itself. The second one is Rosewood, Hong Kong. Situated along the Thames Joy waterfront, Rosewood is modern luxury at its finest. Rooms and suites are designed with contemporary elegance, featuring panoramic harbor views and bespoke interior. Dining include world-class restaurants featuring both Asian and Western cuisines. The wellness facilities, spa and infinity pool make it a heaven for relaxation. A perfect mix of style, service, and comfort. It defines Kowloon hospitality. The third one is Kerry Hotel, Hong Kong. Set by Hong Bay, Kerry Hotel offers a resort-like escape while staying in the heart of the Kowloon. The rooms are airy and spacious with large windows open to Victoria Harbour view. Its outdoor pool deck is one of the best in the city, ideal for watching sunset. Guests enjoy multiple dining options from casual eateries to elegant fine dining. The vibe is modern, youthful, and welcoming. The fourth one is Cordis, Hong Kong. Located in the vibrant Mongkok area, Cordis is perfect for travelers who want energy and convenience. The rooms are sleek and stylish, equipped with smart amenities and cozy furnishings. The hotel is famous for its Michelin-starred Cantonese restaurant, Ning Court. Hotel highlights includes a rooftop pool, wellness center, and family-friendly programs. The fifth one is Intercontinental Grand Stanford, Hong Kong. With stunning harbor-facing rooms, this hotel is a strong contender for luxury stay in Kowloon. Its prime location makes exploring and nearby attractions easy. The property features elegant rooms, three fine dining restaurants, and excellent conference facilities. The rooftop pool offering panoramic city views adding to the charm. It is refined choice for both business and leisure travelers. The next one is Hotel Icon, a hotel designed with creativity and style. Hotel Icon reflects Hong Kong's dynamic character. The interior are chic with rooms offering breathtaking views of the skyline or harbor. Its outdoor heated pool is a standout, giving swimmers a view of Victoria Harbour. The buffet at the Market restaurant is among the best in the town, featuring global and local favorites. Staff service is warm and personal, adding to the hotel's appeal. A modern stay with a youthful, energetic vibe. The next one is the Langham, Hong Kong. Classic elegance defines the Langham located near the shopping district of Tube Shuttle. Rooms are luxurious with plush beddings, marble bedrooms, and thoughtful amenities. Dining is a highlight with Tiang Court, a 3 Michelin-star Cantonese restaurant on site. The rooftop pool and spa offers spaces to relax after a busy day. The next one is Harbour Grand Kowloon. Set right on the waterfront, Harbour Grand offers sweeping harbor views from its rooms and rooftop pool. The hotel is known for its spacious rooms and elegant design. Dining includes international buffet and Cantonese specialties, pleasing a wide range of tastes. The free shuttle bus to Nimsashu or the extra convenience. Guests often highlight the warm hospitality and scenic location. The second last is Hyatt Regency Hong Kong Tim Sha Tsui. Modern, stylish, and centrally located, Hyatt Regency provides everything a traveler could need. Rooms are contemporary, offering views of the harbor or the bustling city. Dining includes both casual and fine options, with continuous cuisine being a standout. Its location inside Gate 12 Art Mall make shopping and dining extra convenient. Service is efficient and friendly, ideal for both business and leisure travelers. A Polish stay in the middle of the Kowloon's vibrant life. The last one is Prince Hotel Hong Kong, part of the Marco Polo Group. Prince Hotel is directly connected to Harbour City Mall, one of the Asia's largest shopping complexes. Rooms are cozy, functional, and well designed for comfort. Dining includes international options and local favorites with consistent quality. Its prime location is a huge plus for shopaholics and travelers who like to stay in the action. Staff are known for their helpful and warm service, a great pick for convenience and urban energy. Kowloon is the beating heart of Hong Kong, and its hotel reflects the city's mix of tradition and modernity. Whether you prefer royal luxury at the Peninsula, youth energy at Hotel Icon, or convenient shopping at Prince Hotel, every traveler find a perfect stay here.